Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safullah Nusaini bin Selamat. My matrix number 06DKA 19F1187.
And my name is Zainul Miromli, and my registration number is F1184.
Okay, we continue. Natural resource. Natural resource refer to the thing that exists freely in the nature for human use and do not necessarily need the action of mankind for their generation or production. The key aspect of natural resource is that they dictate the survival of human and other life form on Earth. These resources include land, rocks, forests, vegetation, water, ocean, lakes, streams, sea and river, fossil fuel, animal, fish, wildlife and domesticated animal, mineral, sunlight and air. Renewable energy. Renewable resources are the ones that are consistently available regardless of their use. They can be fairly recovered or replaced after utilization. Example include vegetation, water and air. Animals can also be categorized as renewable resource because they can be reared and bred to reproduce offspring to substitute the older animals. As much as these resources are renewable, it may take tens to hundreds of years to replace them. Non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resources are the ones that cannot simply be substituted or recovered once they have been utilized or destroyed. Example of such natural resources include fossil fuels and minerals. Minerals are categorized as non-renewable because even though they take shape naturally through the rock cycle, their formation period takes thousands of years. Some animals, mostly the endangered species, are similarly regarded as non-renewable because they are at the verge of extinction. Okay, next.
Okay, this is our set 12. Natural resources inputs for the title. The total energy from the natural inputs is in total is 112,243. Okay, this is for renewable resources from the right side. Okay, the first one is hydropower. The input of energy is 3,582. The highest from the graph. The second one is biodiesel. Biodiesel is the second one on 684. The third one is biomass for 189. Solar for the fourth one for 75, and the lowest one is biogas 18 on the energy inputs. We choose graph bar because it is more understandable and easy to read, and also this topic is perfectly used for the graph bar. Okay, the next one is non-renewable resources. The same as before, we use graph bar also because it is the same reason. So the number one is, for the renewable is the highest, natural gas for 71,572. The second one is crude oil, 34,351, and the lowest one is coal, 1,773 for the non-renewable energy. Okay, the conclusion for this presentation is natural resources are central to the realization of the sustainable development goals. The continent's natural capital, consisting mainly of both renewable and non-renewable resources, are key to sustainable development. They contribute to wealth generation, job creation, and are central to the industrialization of the continent. During a conference organised in late 2016 by United Nations University Institute for Natural Resources, identified emerging frontiers for natural resources management in the continent. The 5 broad areas identified are sustainable soil and water management, sustainable mining, the blue economy, energy, climate, and the environment. And the last one is the natural resources in global value chains. So that's all
That's all from
our presentation
yes.
for the set 12 on graph and chart. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.